Here is another exceptional diesel pusher brought to you by Motorhome Finders. This magnificent 2015 Entegra Anthem. 44B embodies everything owners love about the Anthem line. The quietest ride in its class, residential luxury throughout, and rock-solid engineering on the Spartan Mountain Master chassis. This coach also includes valuable ownership upgrades and extensive maintenance documentation, making it one of the strongest offerings on the market. Step inside and discover an interior that exudes timeless luxury. The original factory sofa has been replaced with an upgraded reclining sofa in real Italian leather, significantly increasing comfort. And for ultimate comfort, heated porcelain tile floors extend throughout the coach, delivering radiant warmth and a beautiful finish. Entertainment is immersive with a front TV featuring Samsung 5.1 True Surround Sound. An LG residential refrigerator replaces the original Samsung, offering reliable and efficient cooling. Enjoy the warmth and ambiance of an electric fireplace, while powered day-night shades and multiplex controls offer quiet, efficient light and system management. The chef's kitchen is designed for convenience and style. It features an LG refrigerator with ice and water, a dishwasher drawer, a convection microwave, and an induction cooktop. Solid surface counters, deep drawers, a pull-out counter extension, and a designer tile backsplash create an efficient, modern, and easy-to-clean space. Retreat to the luxurious master bedroom suite. You'll find an updated standard king mattress for comfortable, spacious sleeping. A Samsung 32-inch HD TV paired with a Bose Solo soundbar provides a private entertainment experience. Residential touches abound with a cedar-lined wardrobe, a hidden safe, and a ceiling fan. Remote coach locking adds convenience and security. The spa-inspired bathroom features a porcelain tile shower with a skylight for a bright, spacious feel. A porcelain toilet with push-button flush is cleaner and more efficient, complemented by solid surface counters and an integrated sink. A thermostatic power vent automatically regulates airflow and moisture. From the exterior, you'll find full-body paint, dual-pane windows, and a comprehensive awning package for protection and comfort. Upgraded technology includes Starlink for in-motion internet, a WineGuard Traveler satellite dish, 2 solar panels, 2 inverters for strong off-grid capability, and a basement freezer, perfect for extended boondocking. Tire safety bands installed on the front tires, tire pressure monitoring for all 12 tires, and snap pads on all jacks provide enhanced safety and stability. Upgraded front sunshades reduce glare and heat for more comfortable driving. Built on the Spartan Mountain Master chassis and powered by a 450 horsepower Cummins ASL engine with 1,250 pound-feet of torque, this Anthem delivers confident power for mountain travel and towing. The Allison 3000 MH transmission ensures smooth performance, complemented by Rayco Granning independent front suspension and Hendrickson rear suspension for excellent handling. Advanced safety features include a 2-stage engine brake, an UltraVision one-piece windshield, and side cameras for exceptional visibility. This all-electric coach is equipped with 2 heat pumps and 1 traditional AC for an efficient heating and cooling combination. The Aqua-Hot 450 hydronic heat provides unlimited hot water and heated floors throughout. A 12.5 kilowatt Onan generator with auto start powers the entire coach anywhere, backed by dual inverters and AGM batteries for strong electrical delivery. A 50 amp power reel, power water hose reel, and total coach filtration simplify setup, while sea level monitoring provides accurate tank level readings. The construction quality is second to none, with an Aluma True welded superstructure, thick wall and roof insulation among the best in the industry. A one-piece fiberglass roof, and a steel-reinforced front cap. This 2015 Entegra Anthem 44B is designed to make every journey feel like home. To see the full listing, including detailed specifications, the MSRP, and a complete photo gallery, please click the link below.